Yes, children, are you able to see my screen right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Varnika, why we need algebra, Varnika?
Mama.
Yes. We are familiar with arithmetic operations. Generalization of arithmetic is nothing but algebra. Yes or no, Varnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So before going to start this chapter, I want a few observations from my students. I'll give some statements with you, children. Why we are using uses of variables? Variables we are using instead of numbers, we are using the variables. Variables are not fixed values, it can vary. Constants have a fixed value. So what are the different terminology words we are using, children? What is an exponent or what is an index? Yes, what is the index? Who will give? What is an index? Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Suppose
Actually, ma'am.
2 power 4, what is an index?
Ma'am, but before class, for me, some issues are there, so I didn't hear that. Can you tell me again?
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, 4 is the index
Yes, 4 is index.
and 2
Three,
is the base. 2 is the base.
very good, very good. 4 is index or exponent, Nana. Anything we can call it as index or exponent. And 2 is base. So what is this base? These are powered numbers. Powered numbers means what is powered numbers, children? 2 power 4. That means 2 multiplied with how many times, Harsha?
4 times.
Very
2
good.
multiplied with 4 times.
Suppose a power a cube. A cube means?
Ma'am, a into 4.
4 times.
No, a cube I'm asking. A cube means what? This is 3.
3 times, ma'am.
Very good. 3 times. Right, right. Suppose x squared. Again,
So x into x.
Into x.
x into x. Very good. These are powered numbers, Nana. Powered numbers, the power we can call it as index or exponent, and the base part, the down part, we call it as a base. Base. That is the powered numbers. Powered numbers means we are not going to, generally, what is the mistakes done by the students? If I'm asking 2 power 4 means they will simply say 2 into 4, that's a 8. So it's wrong, children. If you say it's wrong, well, absolutely it is wrong. You have to go with normal multiplication. 2 twos are 4. Again, 2 twos are 4. 4 into 4 is 4 into 4 is 16, right? This is the powered numbers. Don't multiply like that. Powered numbers means you are multiplying the number, how many times you have power, that many times you are multiplying, repeated multiplication. Yes. Next one.
Ma'am,
One more example.
Ma'am, I will change my net connection.
Okay, sure, sure, sure. Yes, Ashwath, are you there, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ashwath, there are, why we are using algebraic variables in this? What is
Ma'am, to express an
variables?
unknown value, ma'am. To express an
Very good.
unknown value.
We make use of variables in our day-to-day life, many situations, not only few.
Ma'am, like it calculating the time between the intervals of traffic lights and like for example, we are.
Yes, yes. Suppose you told that there is a person, one of your friend, Sachin is 3 years older than his brother Rahul. This is the statement given by your friend. Can you write the rule for connecting these ages of?
X plus 2.
Yeah, Sachin. This is the use of variables. Sachin, now you understand the. I'll just give one day-to-day life situation. 1 minute, children. There is a student. Please, okay. Okay, right, children. This is the suppose there is a you or else you have to compare with your brother. You people suppose any one of your example you take. Sachin is 3 years older than his brother Rahul. You just see the statement. Sachin is 3 years. Sachin is 3 years older than his brother Rahul. His brother Rahul. Yes. Gagan, can you write a rule for connecting the ages of Rahul and Sachin using variables here? Who will make? Suppose if Rahul is 1 year old, then Sachin is how many years old, children? Just
3.
no.
Ma'am.
Children, Rahul and Sachin, there are two children. If Rahul is 1 year old, means what about Sachin's age?
Ma'am, 4, ma'am. 4 years old.
Very good, 4 years. Very good, Gagan. Suppose the Rahul age is 2 years. What is the age of Sachin here?
5, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Can you please write the relation between connecting the ages of Rahul and Sachin using variables? Please try, children. I will help you. Please try yourself. Relation between here. How you have to take here Sachin ages, Rahul age as an X years old. Come on, children. Please take Rahul's age as an X years old. Come on, children, please take Rahul's age as an X years old. If I'm taking Rahul age as an X years old, what about Sachin age? What is the relation between Rahul age plus 3? Rahul age plus 3. Rahul age, what we are thinking? We are thinking about X plus 3. This is the general rule for defining the relation between Rahul and Sachin. Children, did you understand what is the use of variables here? Yes. Please let me know, children, so that I can go with many examples. This is like a generalized statement. We are writing generalized relationship between arithmetic and algebra, children. You just, okay. Anyway, you have still doubt because my students are pin drop silent means I want to go with some more explanation part. Rahul and Sachin. There are two students, two brothers. If Rahul, what is the according to condition? According to condition, Sachin is 3 years older than his brother Rahul. Sachin is 3 years older than his brother Rahul. Suppose Rahul age, if I'm taking as 1 year old, suppose Rahul is 1 year means, as you said, ma'am, the Sachin is 4 years. Suppose Rahul is 2 years old means Sachin is 5 years. Suppose Rahul is 10 years means
13 years old. 14, ma'am.
14 years. 14, very good. 14 years old. Is it 14 children? No.
13.
Yes, 13 years old. Who said 14? Why? Because you're in Rahul is
4 minus 1 is 3, ma'am. So we need to add 3 to Rahul.
that's all. So here what we supposed to take, it's a 13 years old.
X plus.
Yes, very good. Therefore, the rule for connecting the ages between these brothers, how we supposed to connect here, children? Sachin age. Sachin's age is 3 times Rahul's age, Rahul age plus 3. Rahul age plus 3. So now generalized statement, if you take Rahul's age as an X years, what about Sachin's age, children? Sachin is equal to X plus 3. This is the relation between Sachin age is nothing but the age of Sachin is nothing but X plus 3. This is the relation between ages of the brothers. So this is why we are using variables, children. Any doubt? Can we go with many examples so that you will understand more easily, children?
No doubt, ma'am.
I'll give number of examples here. Okay, yeah. Very interesting. You will score many marks in this chapter, children. Only that you need to write an algebraic expressions for the given statement, children. Write an algebraic expressions. Write an algebraic expressions. Expressions for given statements. For given statements. Next, here the question is, Gagan is half of Gagan is, I'm writing Gagan is half of some sister, whatever the name of what's your sister name, Gagan? Elder or younger?
Yashashwini, ma'am.
Your sister name?
Ye- Yes, ma'am, 7th class.
She is 7th class right now. Suresh is half of Yashashwini age. This is an example, children. Half of Yashashwini age. Yashashwini age. Half of Yashashwini age. You just imagine, children, it's not true. If Yashashwini is 6 years old. If Yashashwini is X years old. If Yashashwini is X years old, how old is Gagan? How old is Gagan? How old is
X plus 1.
Gagan? No. He is half of Yashashwini.
By 2.
Half of means is it
X by 2. X by 2.
very good, very good. What is the age of Gagan? Gagan's age is nothing but X by 2. Very good. Who said Gagan's age is
Me, ma'am.
very good, Ashwath? X by 2. Why X by 2, Ashwath? Can you help others?
Ma'am, because X is Yashashwini's age, so we need to divide it by 2, which is X by 2.
Very good. And this is the way we are constructing an algebraic expressions for the given statements. Shall we go with the many examples, children? Then you will be perfect on construction of algebraic.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. I won't do, children. Please think if you need any help, I will help you. I'm ready to help you. First of all, you have to read the instruction, whatever the statement is given. Next, Yadharth. Yadharth is 3 years younger than 3 years younger than his brother Aditya. Kadamana? Yadharth?
Yes, ma'am, Aditya only.
Yeah, Aditya. His brother Aditya. Yes. This is the statement. But whatever the questions are given, condition given, if brother's age is why you take a brother's age, brother Aditya's age take as X. Let Aditya age be X. Aditya age be X years.
X minus 3, ma'am.
Ma'am, in real life also, he's 3 years older than me, ma'am.
Oh, it's true. True statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I'm guessing, children. I'm guessing. Very good. Okay, very good. Yeah, what is Yadharth age means?
Ma'am, X minus 3.
Very good, Gagan. Very good, very good. It's an X minus 3. X minus 3. Therefore, age of Yadharth or Yadharth's age is equal to
Ma'am, even my sister's age is 3 years bigger than me. She is in Aditya's section only.
Okay. Yadharth, what's your sister name? Okay, Yadar age is equal to how much, children?
Ma'am, I don't have a sister, ma'am.
X minus 3, ma'am.
Not you. She, ma'am asked to Ashwath.
Yes, is there? Ashwat is there? I think some
Yes,
student.
ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Ashwat, what's your sister name?
Ma'am, Ananya.
Ananya, right? Right now they are in 9th class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Right, children. Shall I give few statements for you, a few expressions for you, children, so that you can build?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please try, children. Lohini, are you there, Lohini? Lohini, are you there? The length of a rectangle. This is one more lively application, children. The length of a rectangle. The length of rectangle, because in application part we are using the word the language this check. The length of a rectangle is 3 units less than 3 units less than 3 units less than twice its width. Twice its width. Width or breadth, both are same, children. Width,
Breadth, ma'am.
both are same, Nana. Width, both are same. Is denoted with the W, or else width you are taking as W. Okay. Come on, children, how we supposed to build an expression, algebraic expression using this statement? Yes, please try, children. The length of a rectangle. Suppose
Ma'am, how much is width, ma'am?
width you take as W, Nana.
Ma'am, W into 2 minus 3, ma'am.
Ma'am, W into 2 minus 3.
Twice means how much, Nana? If width you are taking,
Double, ma'am.
Multiplied by 2.
so
Twice is
W,
multiplied by 2.
W multiplied by 2 and less 3 units less means you are adding
Minus 3.
minus 3. So that's nothing but a 2W minus 3 is an expression to represent this statement. Right. Did you understand, children? Twice means multiplied with 2. Thrice means multiplied with 3. 4 times means multiplied with 4. These are the basic parts, children. Whatever, how many times are given in your statement, you suppose. Less than means you need to subtract, children. More than means you have to add up. More or greater, less. These are the keywords to remember. Yes. Next. Next statement. 6 more than 5 times A. 5 times A. Yes, can you please build the expression?
6 more than 5 times A. Okay. Ma'am, 5A plus 6. 5A plus 6.
Very good. 5A plus 6. Your task, you're correct. Let me ask everyone right now. Next question is, if you have textbook, you have many statements in our textbook, children. Anyway, okay. 3 more than 3 more than 3 more than twice a number X. This is for Daksh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
3 more than twice.
Ma'am,
Twice a number X, Nana.
Yes, ma'am. 3 more than twice.
Yes. Twice means?
Ma'am, into 2.
So what number into 2?
X into 2.
So X into 2, can we write it as?
X. No, X.
2X. 2X.
2x.
Ah.
2x plus 3.
Very good. 2X plus 3. You are correct. You are correct. Next goes to Yadharth. Yadharth, are you ready?
Ma'am, actually, once can I go to the bathroom or come?
Yes, yes, you go and come back, and I want to speak with Gagan. Gagan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 4 times 4 less than 6 times 6 times a number y. Yes, 6 times a number y. Gagan, please think and give answer, Nana. Next question ready for
Ma'am,
Varnika?
6 times means should we multiply, ma'am?
Multiply with 6. Very good, very good.
Okay, ma'am. Y into 6
Y
minus
into 6 always written as 6y, Nana. We can't take variable first. You always take a number first in multiplication. Suppose y into 5 means you should not write y5. So what you should write? You should write
5.
5y. This is correct. This is basic part, Nana, please. In addition, suppose the same thing. You just yeah, come on now. Please build a expression for this statement.
5y minus 4, ma'am.
What, ma? 6y or 5y?
6y
Sorry, ma'am,
minus 4.
6y.
6y minus 4.
Very good, very good, Gagan. Next for Varnika.
Ma'am, it was me, ma'am, Ashwath.
Ashwath, your task is over. Wait, we are ready for another question. Wait, just a minute. I'll come with some cycle. Varnika, can you respond for me? Answer, please. Varnika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. 1 minute, Varnika. Yes. 11 greater than 3 times A. 3 times A.
Ma'am, 3a plus 11.
Very good. 3A plus 11. Wonderful. Good. Yes. Next, Lohini, are you there? Lohini. Lohini, are you there? Sri Harsha. Sri Harsha. Sri
Ma'am,
Yes. Sri Harsha. Let me. Yes. Sri Harsha is. Sri Harsha is 5 years. 5 years younger than 5 years younger than 5 years younger than 3 5 years younger than yeah Sri Harsha is 5 years 1 minute children. Sri Harsha is 5 years younger than his sister.
sir, ma'am, I have brother.
Okay, okay. His brother. Okay, take like a brother. Okay. So if you take your brother age as any alphabet we can use, Nana. I'm taking as Y years. Brother's age as Y years. Come on, please build an expression here.
Ma'am, 5 plus, ma'am, 5 plus,
Nana, younger means what you should do.
Y
Nana?
minus 5.
Younger means you are
sorry, ma'am, y minus 5.
very good. Y minus 5. Because younger means you are subtracting. Elder brother, I have elder sister means what I should do? I have to add up. Right. There are many, these are basic statements I'm giving because this is a learner's chapter for you, only basic part with you. So that I'm giving very, very few simple statements. Now, let me go with some complex statements. Just a minute, children. Not only this, we have some other part also. We'll complete that both the things. 1 minute, children. Now, who is not responding in the class? D multiplied with D multiplied with D multiplied with D multiplied with D. Write as an exponent.
Ma'am, D with the power
Write as an
6.
exponent.
Ma'am, can I tell?
6. Wait.
D to the power 6, ma'am. D to the power 6.
Yes, ma'am.
D to the power 6.
6.
Very good. Very good. D to the
I gave
power.
it first.
Very good. Very good, children. Now, my another question for you all. Please be who are going to give is appreciable thing. X plus X plus X plus X plus X. What is the value of this?
Ma'am, xy. X power of 5.
No, who is giving this answer? I know that my students first will say that only.
No, power is multiplying. Power is multiplying.
Power means power numbers means we are multiplying the number, right?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
It's an addition. Okay, don't worry, children. Making mistake, you need to correct
5x,
again.
5x, 5x.
If you never do once again the mistake, the same coming. 5x.
Yes,
Repeat.
ma'am, I told
Very
her.
good. Repeated addition is called what, children?
Multiplication, ma'am.
Repeated addition is called what?
Multiplication.
So that what number I should multiply, you know that very well. 1 minute, children. Yes. So repeatedly, what number? X. X repeated how many times? 5 times. So we always write a number as first, then
5x.
variable. 5x.
5x.
This is the basic questions, Nana. In the examination, if they will test also, no need of confusing. You just to see whether it is addition. Suppose the same question is written as x multiplied with x multiplied with x multiplied with x multiplied with x. What you should write? You
Ma'am,
can
X to the
write x to the power
5.
5. Very good. X to the power 5. Right. This is the basic difference between those two things. Please be a little alert with power numbers as well as repeated addition. If the same number repeated adding means we are doing multiplication. It's not power numbers. Please be little alert with that. Next. In this class, even we have solving simple algebraic expressions also we have, children. Before going to that, I want to say some more points. Yeah. Yes,
Ma'am, ma'am, x divided by y, how can we do that problem, ma'am?
Yeah. Suppose, very good. The question, very good question you're asking. Really, it's very good question. Why? Because the quotient, some questions you have in the examination. The quotient of x by y multiplied by 10. This is the statement. Given statement is, I will write on the screen, children. The quotient of x by y. Quotient of x by y. This is the variable x here. This is the variable x by y multiplied by 10. Multiplied by 10. Multiplied by 10. Yes, come on, children. How you supposed to do this? Quotient of x by y multiplied by 10. Please think and give. Quotient means what, children? What is quotient? Yes, the quotient of x by y. Children, please think and give the answer, children. I'm waiting for your response. Yes, what is quotient of x by y? Children, what is quotient of x by y? X by y.
By
X by y multiplied by what number?
10.
10. So this 10 belongs to numerator only, children. So we can write it as 10x by y. Understand, children? These are the little complex statements. Nothing to worry. This is also because you need to think. That's why I'm not giving the quick answer for you immediately, because the quotient of x by y multiplied by 10 means x by y multiplied with the 10, but x into 10 is 10x by y. Yes, Ashwath, you got how you are supposed to do that? This is a two variables we have, x and y, two variables we have. Sometimes only one variable. An algebraic expression having one single variable, only say two variables, more than two variables, we have different naming also. Children, you will learn in your senior classes about more about algebraic expression part. In this class, you have basic part only. Next, can we go with a small yes, children, on this concept? If I'm teaching many things at a time. Yes. 1 minute, children. Shall we do little practice and expressions? I'll share just a minute. I'll share some quiz link with you. You can play quiz.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can play quiz on this concept.
Wait, ma'am, I'm coming in a minute.
Okay, sure, children. I want to search for your. 'We will go with a little slow on this chapter, children. If I'm going with running race, you can't catch the points. Writing expressions, algebraic expressions for the given statements.
Ma'am, did you share link?
No, not it.
Okay.
One minute, children. Please wait. Yeah, I'm sharing. There are 10 questions, children, very wise questions. Please try it, children. It's very interesting quiz. Yeah, come on, children. Please be ready. I'm sharing the link with you.
Ma'am, I'm going to hospital, so I can't attend the quiz, ma'am.
Okay, right, Nana. Yes, Gagan, are you not? Are you feeling okay, or else why you are going to hospital?
Ma'am, cold, ma'am. I
Okay.
have cold.
Okay, please take care, Nana. Please take care. Drink water.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Nana. Bye. Yes, I'm posting link, children. Where is that? Minute. Yeah. Yes, children, I posted right. Yes, did you get the link, children? Okay, I can see no student is joined yet. Okay, 2 students. Come on, Daksh, Sahas, Sriharsha, very good.
Ma'am, already I'm the first one in.
Okay, right. I can see Lohini, Varnika, Sriharsha, Daksh. And who else is not joined? Yadharth is not joined. Yadharth, are you there? Yeah, Ashwath joined. Yadharth, are you there in the meet? Yadharth is there in the meet, ma? Please check and let me know.
Ma'am, he is not there.
Okay, children. Then all the best. Do your quiz. Come on, children.
Ma'am, can you mute?
Yes. Very good, Varnika. Very good, Ashwath. Good. Nice, Lohini. Sriharsha, please think and do. Very good. Varnika is going very speed. Yes, even Lohini. Tough competition, Lohini between Varnika. Good job, Lohini. Come on, student. Good. Very nice competition is going on.